Welcome back to The Silly Kitchen. I'm Sylvia, and today we are talking about meal prepping with chicken breasts. I don't know if you do this, but it's something that I've been doing for quite some time, and I wanted just to share with you in case you didn't think of it. Maybe you're already doing it, then just skip through. But what I wanted to talk to you about is taking maybe an extra half hour, 40 minutes out of your day, one day a week, whatever works for your schedule. For me, usually a Sunday, and cook up 6-7 chicken breasts in the oven. And that way you have chicken breasts for several days to have lunches and snacks and whatever it is that you want to eat throughout the week. And you're probably thinking, well, Sylvia, I don't want to eat the same chicken for 3-4 days. Well, you don't have to season them all the same. Grab some spices out of your pantry, take a look at all the flavors you have there, and today I'm making 6 chicken breasts, so I'm gonna do 3 with Cajun and 3 with lemon and herb, and that way I can change up the flavors. And then what am I gonna do with this chicken? Just eat it every single day? Well, yeah, but you guys know I love a good salad. So throw in some of these chickens into any of your salads. Change up your veggies, change up your dressing, and it tastes different every day. Chicken salad sandwiches are delicious. I love making those. Perfect having a chicken breast already cooked and ready in the fridge for you. Making a wrap, making other sandwiches, throwing it in some veggie stir fry real quick. The options are endless if you have them already cooked, ready, and seasoned. I hope you try this next time. Just cook a little extra chicken and use those leftovers for your meals for the next few days. Thanks for stopping by The Silly Kitchen. Hit that subscribe button and hopefully I will see you again soon.